For this project, you'll need a DK weight yarn in red, white, and green, and a 3.5mm crochet hook. You can find a complete list of the materials and PDF pattern in the description box. Here are the stitches that you need to know in order to make this project. Magic ring, chain, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and single crochet 8 stitches together. If you find this video useful, please consider to hit like, comment down below, and subscribe. To begin, create a magic ring. Next, chain 3 and make 11 double crochet into the magic ring. Tighten the tail end of the yarn to secure the round. Chain 1 and turn. Round 2, make 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Make half double crochet in the next stitch, and make double crochet in the next stitch. Now on the next stitch, we're going to make 3 stitches, and that is a double crochet and 2 triple crochet, all in that same stitch. So that is 1 double crochet, and then we're going to add 2 triple crochet in that same stitch. From here on, we're going to repeat the pattern in reverse. So starting with the next stitch, we're going to create 2 triple crochet plus double crochet, all in that same stitch. Next, double crochet in the next stitch. Then make half double crochet in the next stitch. Next, single crochet in each of the remaining 3 stitches. In the last stitch, we're going to switch to the green yarn. Do not turn your work. Using the green yarn, you're going to single crochet into the space between the first 2 stitches. Next, make a long single crochet into the next space. Make a long single crochet into the 3rd space. And make another long single crochet into the 4th space. From here, we're going to skip 3 spaces and then make another long single crochet into the next space. From here, you're just going to make long single crochet in each of the remaining 3 spaces. When you're done, you're going to turn your work, and then we're moving on to the last row of this project. From here, you're going to single crochet 8 stitches together. And then finally, we're going to chain 1 to close the stitch, fasten off and cut the yarn, and weave in all of the ends. Now with a yarn needle, we're just going to create the seeds by threading in our white yarn. That ends the tutorial for today. You can find the PDF pattern for this design in my Ravelry shop, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.